PrimeTec was specifically formulated as part of an external porcelain installation system. PrimeTec is manufactured with the most up-to-date polymer and cementitious technologies currently available. It is essential, especially with porcelain, that all slabs are fully primed prior to laying. Porcelain by its nature is non-porous, and it is therefore essential that primer is used to form a mechanical bond between the slab and the bedding material. PrimeTec basically acts as a cementitious glue. PrimeTec is also an exceptional priming slurry for all types of natural and manufactured paving slabs, cobbles and sets. Never use PrimeTec at under 5 degrees or if frost is forecast. Prior to starting, the tools you will require are a measuring jug, a stiff bristle brush, a sponge, a drill, a whisk and clean water. PPE required: gloves, a dust mask and some safety glasses. There is no need for a mixing tub as PrimeTec is mixed in the bucket it is supplied in. Mixing process: open the bucket and remove the two 7.5 kg bags. With your measuring jug, add 2.3 litres of water to your PrimeTec bucket. Open one bag of PrimeTec and add to the water, setting your second bag to one side for your next mix. With your drill and whisk on slow setting, mix for 2 minutes. Leave stand for 1 minute. This ensures that the polymers are fully dissolved and activated in the slurry. Mix for 2 more minutes until you have reached a smooth, creamy, lump-free consistency. Your PrimeTec priming slurry is now ready to be applied. Fully cover the back of your slab. It is essential to completely coat the slab right to the edges. Standing your slab on 2 timber lats will allow you to easily coat your slab right to the bottom without picking up dirt or debris from your work area. Keep a sponge and clean water to hand to remove any excess from the edge of your slabs. It is essential that any priming slurry that has gotten on the face of your slab is removed immediately. Your slabs are now fully primed and ready to be laid. PrimeTec is available in 15 kilo units and supplied in an extremely robust, fully waterproof bucket and can be stored in its original packaging outside in all weather conditions. PrimeTec is packaged in oxygen-proof bags, which gives it an extended shelf life of between 1.5 and 2 years. The average coverage is 15 to 20 metres squared per unit. This, however, is dependent on the application method used and the type of stone or tile being primed. Check out our PrimeTec External Porcelain Grout, which has been specifically designed to be used with porcelain tiles.